Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing one of the hottest style topics, how to make your jeans look stylish and beautiful in 2026, regardless of your budget, age, or personal style. Because the truth is, denim is something we all wear, but not everyone knows how to make it look stylish, luxurious, and truly elegant. So if you want your jeans to look richer, more stylish, and more elegant than ever, join me. Number 1. Finding the most flattering and fitting clothes. When it comes to looking stylish and expensive in jeans, the first step is to choose a pair that truly fits your body. Jeans that are too tight will instantly detract from your look. They will stretch, and destroy the clean lines that make jeans stand out. On the other hand, jeans that are too loose can overshadow your figure and give your outfit an unbalanced, sloppy look. The secret is to choose jeans that follow your body's natural shape in a soft, comfortable way. Not tight and clingy, not shapeless, just supportive, clean, and flattering. Stylish women know that fit is the foundation of a stylish look. That's why cuts like flares, mid-rises, flares, and boot cuts always look more elegant. Straight-leg jeans create a sleek, simple style that goes with almost any shoe. Wide-leg styles create a sleek, elongated look that looks modern without being too distracting. A mid-rise balances your upper body and legs, making you look slimmer and taller. And flared or bootcut jeans create a graceful movement that looks stylish with boots or heels. Number 2. Choose classics. If you want your jeans to look stylish and expensive, one of the most transformative choices you can make is choosing the right wash. Classic colors like light blue, deep indigo, dark gray, black, fawn, and even pure white have a natural, timeless quality that will add a unique touch to your entire outfit. These tones have a clean, modern, and tailored look, and they create a more polished look no matter what you pair them with. They give your jeans a sense of structure and make them look more luxurious without the need for heavy embellishments or styling. However, if your goal is to look stylish and classy, you should avoid washing them in colors that are too washed. Jeans that are dirty and torn or that look too old and faded can make your look untidy and unbalanced. These worn-out garments disrupt the clean, straight lines that beautiful clothes depend on. Number 3. Advanced basics. When you want your jeans to look stylish, the clothes you pair them with are just as important as the jeans themselves. High-end basics are really the secret weapon here. Blazers, well-tailored long coats, beautiful sweaters, and clean, form-fitting knits instantly sharpen up the denim look and give it a stylish, grown-up feel. These pieces create a stark contrast to the casual nature of the jeans, which is exactly why they look so great. Underneath these layers, stick to the essentials that never go out of style. A stylish button-down shirt, a soft knit sweater, or a subtle ski collar. You can also incorporate this season's beautiful trend, plaid shirts. They add depth and visual interest without cluttering the look. But you should avoid patterned sweatshirts, bold logos, and hooded tops. These instantly make the outfit look juvenile, crude, and cheap. Number 4. Wear simple accessories. Accessories play a big role in making jeans look their best. One of the most stylish things you can add is a silk scarf. Whether it's tied around your neck, hanging loosely, or styled through belt loops, it instantly adds softness and elegance. Beyond scarves, subtle textures, sunglasses, belts, minimalist jewelry like gold or silver earrings, dainty rings or stylish bracelets, and shoes or boots will frame the look without overpowering it. A sleek leather belt also adds structure and will work with any pair of jeans. Number 5. High-quality jeans. It's important to choose styles that flatter your figure and make your legs look longer. If your jeans are baggy at the bottom, pair them with a tighter top. If they're slim or tapered, a slightly loose blouse will create contrast, and well-fitting shoes will create a nice contrast. The idea is simple. Choose jeans that flatter your figure and balance your upper body. Number 6. Stylish and classy outfits with jeans. Jeans pair wonderfully with long outerwear like maxi coats and trench coats. A well-tailored jacket doesn't compete with jeans. It enhances them and gives your silhouette a sleek look. Also, pairing jeans with stylish, form-fitting tops, soft pleats, fitted collars, or a minimal suit is always elegant and striking. Finally, when styling your jeans, strike a balance between chic and classic casual. The tips we've mentioned will help your jeans look stylish, confident, and effortless. The right clothes will take jeans from being too casual to a chic, everyday look. Remember, they're not comfortable pants. How your jeans look is entirely up to you and how you feel about them. Your jeans are just a canvas. You are the one who gives life to appearances. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment below this post. See you in the next video. Stay stylish and classy, stay confident, and take care of yourself.